So here we are considering a triangle. Let's say this triangle is ABC and we have a parallel line to BC is DE. The given condition is DE is parallel to BC. AD is X and BD is Y. AE is J and EC is W. We have to prove that X by Y is equal to G by W. Now area of ADE, we can say that area of any triangle is half into base into height. So let's say this height is H1. We are considering AE as base. So area will be half into G into H1. But we can draw another perpendicular like this. Let's say this is H2. Now in this case the base is X. So we can write the area of AD is half into X into H2. Of course both area will be equal because these two area represent to the area of same triangle. Let's consider the triangle BDE. Now for BDE, H2 will act as a perpendicular and DB will be base. So we can write the area of DBE as half into H2 into Y. Similarly, area of triangle DEC can be written as half into H1. H1 is acting as perpendicular for this triangle DEC and EC will be base. So we can say the area as half into H1 into W. Now let's draw the figure again so that we can visualize it properly. Now we can write area of triangle ADE and divided by area of triangle BDE. Now again in the numerator we have triangle ADE. Now we know that if we consider triangle DEC, since these two triangles are within the same parallel lines and they have same base, so their areas will be equal. We had understood this in the previous concepts discussion. So let's take 1 by 2x H2 as area of ADE in this case. And area of BDE we had calculated as half H2 into Y. Now since the above expression is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBC, in this case we are going to take the area with H1 height and G base for ADE. And area of DEC we have calculated as half into H1 into W. Now we will do some common cancellation and we will arrive at our required result. So this is what we had to prove. and we proved it, that x by y will be equal to g by w. Now converse will also be true. I mean, if we have a triangle ABC, we have a line DE, and if it is given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, then DE will be parallel to BC. Now the above result, it can be given in different form. Like for example, if we add 1 on both sides of this, then we will get AD plus DB by DB and AE plus EC by EC. So this will be finally AB by DB and AC by EC.